I don't know if I'm gonna have a chance to make any more content here before I leave, so this is just the goodbye, and thanks for watching. It has been a long day. I will show you the fan shop. I heard rumors about there being a huge gold mine of fans back here, and it was not quite like that, but what's up, Jamie?
Oh, there you are.
Filming. What's up?
Hello. Finishing up
Jamie.
Finishing up the last box right now.
Yeah.
Get some bubble wrap.
Jamie and Janelle and Logan have been my road team for this trip. So here's what we're leaving behind. There's a collector that's coming to get these Casablancas. There's a collector that's coming to get these original motors. This is the fan shop. And there's the blades for the originals. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and of course, bye Fanstick.